Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from our weekly spot, and we're a little bit early this week because we are going to get into a best deals video. So in the best deals video, this is not going to be my traditional CVS haul video. I am just going to be bringing you some of the best deals that you can do this week because this week is fire. This is the week starting 4/10 through 4/16. You guys, we got some amazing deals. And so I know a lot of you guys like to get to the store early. And so in weeks like this, I want to be able to give you a head start by bringing these deals to you on Saturday so you can prepare. So I'm just going to be going over some of the best deals this week. We're not going to do a full detailed, every single deal, but these are the fire deals that you want to make sure that you do not miss. So the first deal I'm going to get into is on the Love Beauty and Planet. So these are $9.29 at my store. So that means I'm going to have to buy 4 of them this week because they're on a spend 20 get 10. Now, if yours are priced at $9.99, you are actually in better luck because you only need to buy 2 of these. But since I'm priced at $9.29, I'm going to pick up 4. Let me show you my breakdown. So picking up 4 of these, that would total you up to $37.16. You can actually use 2 of the 4 off of 18 hair care CRTs if you have them, because you will have enough product. You need at least $36 in product to use both of those coupons, so you will have enough product picking up 4 of these. Then you want to use 2 of the buy one get one free coupons that we are getting in tomorrow's inserts. Those should deduct off $9.29 a piece. You can also use the 2 off of 2 Dove hair care CRT that we got in the week of 4/3. That is attaching to this product. So that would leave you to pay $8.58 at the register, then get back a $10 extra buck, making all 4 of these free plus $1.42 moneymaker. So the next deal I want to talk about is this Dove deal. So select Dove products are buy 2 get back a $5 extra buck this week. Now I initially was going to ignore this deal because the math just wasn't mathing for me with the coupons that we had available. But now that I'm in store, I think I'm not going to ignore this deal, and I'm probably going to do it because of these $3 hang tags that we have, you guys. So we have $3 hang tags in store. I'm sure that at some of your stores they will have these available, not all of course, but if your store has these, and these are a game changer for this deal. So these are for $3 off, you guys, and they don't even expire until 1/24/2023. So this is $3 off of the Dove liquid, and then we have $3 off of the Dove body butter, and these are going to be on sale for $7.99. So I have a 4 off of 18 body wash CRT that I want to factor in. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pick up 3 products instead of 2 because you only need to buy 2 for the deal, but at $7.99 each I won't have enough product in order to use my CVS coupon. So 3 of these would total up to $23.97. If I use that 4 off of 18 and then 3 of these hang tag coupons, that'll bring me down to $10.97 at the register. Then I would get back a $5 extra buck, making all 3 items just $5.97 or $1.99 each. And then of course, if you don't have a body wash CRT, you can just pick up 2 of these. That would total you up to $15.98. You want to use your $6 in manufacturer coupons. That'll bring you down to $9.98, and then you would get back a $5 extra buck, making these just $2.50 a piece, which is a good deal with no CRT required. So next deal we're going to talk about is on the Covergirl cosmetics. So these are buy 3 get back $10 in extra bucks. This is the best deal that we have had on Covergirl in a while. So we're going to pick up our trusty eyeliner pencils down here. These are $6.59 because that's the cheapest item. So we're going to pick up 3 of those. That's going to total us up to $19.77. So I added in one of these $6.99 pencils because my store only has a couple of the $6.59. But if you can grab all of the $6.59, that would be even better because your total would be $19.77. So what you want to do is use a 6 off of 20 Covergirl CRT if you have it, and the $4 Covergirl CRT. and use 3 of the $3 manufacturer coupons. That is going to bring you down to pay 77 cents at the register. Then you are going to get back a $10 extra buck. That is going to make all of these not only free, but a $9.23 moneymaker, you guys. $9.23 moneymaker. The next thing we're going to talk about is on the Axe. And I have not already said this, but this week is a week, you guys. If y'all do not get inserts, this is a week where you want to think about buying your coupon inserts, because we got some really good high value coupons. These Axe coupons are some of those coupons. So we're going to be doing this spend 15, get back 5 on Axe products, and we're going to start by picking up 4 of these Axe products for $5.99. They are buy one get one 50% off. So 4 of these Axe products would total us up to $17.97. So because of that, I'm going to qualify to use a 3 off of 15 deodorant CRT. These are buy one get one 50% off. So with that 3 off of 15 CRT and 2 of the buy one get one free coupons, if your cashier will take off the $5.99 price, that will leave you to pay $2.99 at the register and then get back a $5 extra buck, making all 4 of these not only free, but a $2.01 moneymaker. Money everywhere this week, you guys. The next moneymaker I'm getting into is this deal on the Poise and the Depends. So now this deal is, the reason I'm doing it is because we have a shop kick offer for 2,100 kicks back on the Depends products. So fingers crossed that that will still be here on Sunday, because there are no guarantees with Shopkick. They will pull an offer at any time, but fingers crossed that that is still here on Sunday so we can get into this money. So the first thing I want to pick up is one of these Depends silhouettes. You could also get the regular Depends over here as well. Any of those will work for this, but this is $16.49. Now on this product, we do have a $3 coupon, but you don't have to find that. We also have just regular $2 manufacturer coupons, so use whichever you prefer. I also have a $4 adult care CRT and a 5 off of 15 on Depends. The next thing I want to grab to complete my deal is 2 of the Poise One products. Of course, if your store has the one that is $7.59, grab that. My store doesn't have that one, so I'm going to grab 2 of these that are $7.99. So on these Poise One products, I'm going to be using the $2 manufacturer coupons that we have on these. I have a $3 Poise One CRT and a 4 off of 12 Poise One CRT. So the total for all 3 of these products would be $32.47. I am going to be using the 4 off of 12 CRT that I have on this. I have the $3 CRT and then 2 of the $2 manufacturer coupons. On this baby, I'm going to be using a $2 manufacturer coupon, a $4 adult care CRT, and a 5 off of 15. So after all of those coupons, I would be left to pay $10.47, and then I would get back a $10 extra buck, making all 3 items just 47 cents, which is already an amazing deal. But you guys, we're going to submit back to Shopkick for these Depends, and we're going to get back $8.40. So that's going to make this deal not only free, but an $8 cash moneymaker. So now let's talk about the paper deals for this week, because this is the same deal as the Depends. So if you want to take advantage of both of these, then I want to show you a deal ideal for combining the 2, where you can still get your Shopkick money and also grab some toilet paper, or you can do the Viva paper towels. So these are also on the spend 30 get 10 with the Poise and the Depends. So we're gonna pick up 2 of these Scott 1000 toilet papers. These are $9.99. We're gonna have a $1 digital coupon, I believe, on tomorrow, and we also have printable coupons. If you don't have those, you can print off the printable coupons from the Scott website as well for additional savings. So the total for these 3 items, if we pick up 2 of the paper products and then the Depends, would be $36.47. So we are way over that $30 mark in order to get back 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that $4 CRT for adult care, the 5 off of 15, and you want to use your $2 manufacturer coupon. Then for the Scott, we're going to have that $1 digital, and we can use a 70-cent printable coupon as well. So after all of those coupons, I would pay $23.77 at the register. Then I would get back a $10 extra buck, and I would submit back for $8.40 on Shopkick. That would make my final cost for all three items just $5.37. So that would make these just $1.79 a piece for these items that are very pricey. These are $10 each, and that's $16.49. We would be grabbing all three for $1.79 each. The next deal we're grabbing is this deal on the Garnier facial care. So these are buy one get one 50% off, and then when you buy two, you're gonna get back $5 in extra bucks. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up one of these Garnier micellar wipes. So I have a $3 off CRT. You may actually have more than one of these, so you may actually have two. If so, definitely use both. But I'm going to be using that $3 CRT and a $2 manufacturer coupon. Then I'm going to grab one of these $6.99 skin active wipes. So this would ring out half price at $3.49, and we're going to be using a $2 manufacturer coupon on it as well. So these two together, since they're buy one get one 50% off, would total us up to $11.28. We are going to use two of the $2 manufacturer coupons, a $3 Garnier CRT. I also have a 3 off of 9 Garnier facial care CRT. So that's going to leave me to pay $1.28 at the register, and then I am going to get back a $5 extra buck. That's going to make these two babies not only free, but a $3.72 moneymaker. So now let's get into some laundry deals. We have some amazing laundry deals this week. The first deals that I want to talk about is on the Snuggle. So the Snuggle and the All products are on sale for $3.49. So I have $1 off of 2 Snuggle CRT. Let me show you the cheapest way to do this. So you want to pick up 2 of these Snuggle scent beads right here. These are going to be $3.49 each, so that'll total you up to $7.98. So $7.98, we're going to use 2 of the $2 coupons that we are getting in the 410 save, and we're going to use our $1 CVS coupon. So that is going to bring us to pay just $1.98 at the register for both of these, making these just 99 cents each. We also can grab the All for 99 cents each if you have a $1 CRT. So these are also $3.49. So you want to pick up one, use a $1 All CRT and a $1.50 manufacturer coupon. That'll make these just 99 cents each. So now let's get into my favorite deals of the week, and that is these amazing Tide deals. There are so many different ways that you can do these deals. I'm just going to give you a couple options, but check down below for written breakdowns as well. The first deal that I am going to do, what we can do is we're going to pick up a total of 3 bags of Tide Pods. So these are going to be on sale for $5.49. I told you guys in my last CVS video, the all digital video that I did, how to get this $5 off of 2 coupon. So if you haven't already used that $5 off of 2 coupon, it would work out perfectly this week as well. So let me show you how to maximize this $5 off of 2. Now you don't have to print this coupon out on paper. You can actually use it digitally. That is how I used it in last week's video. But let me show you how you can incorporate this 5 off of 2 into this deal to make it completely amazing. So to complete my first Tide deal, I'm also going to grab one of these 92-ounce detergents. We have $3 manufacturer coupons on these. You can use the digital version or the paper version, printable or from the April PNG. All right, so this is our first spend 30 deal. So we have 3 of the Tide Pods at $5.49, 1 of the Big Daddy Tide liquids at $12.99. This is going to total us up to $29.47. So $29.47 is close enough to $30 with the 98% rule for us to get back the $10 extra buck. So as far as coupons, we're going to use the $3 coupon for the Tide liquid. We are going to use that 5 off of 2 that came from my partnership with Tide. I will have it linked in the written breakdowns for you to easily access, or you can just use $2 ones as well. But of course, the $5 is a higher value. And if you need instructions on how to use that digital coupon as well, then just check my last CVS video because I did walk you through that, so you can just check that for instructions. But with that $5 off of 2 and a $2 on the other bag, our $2 digital should also double dip and glitch and come off with that 5 off of 2. So we're going to get a total of $9 in coupon savings on the Tide Pod with that double dip. We got the 5 off of 2, a 2 off of 1, and that $2 also coming off. We got a $3 on the Tide liquid. That's going to bring us down to $17.46 at the register, and then we're going to get back $10 in extra bucks. It's going to make it just $7.46 for all 4 items, or $186 each, which is awesome. Now let me show you how to work these in with a threshold coupon if you have one, like a 6 off of 30 or an 8 off of 40, to make these completely free. So most of my accounts got 8 off of 40s this week. So I'm going to show you how I am going to combine in an 8 off of 40 to get all of these items completely free. So with both of these deals combined, I'm going to do the Skin Active, the Garnier wipes that we just reviewed, along with this Tide deal. That would bring me up to $40.74 worth of product. So now I'm clear to get that $8 off. We're going to use the $3 coupons on the Tide, the $9 in coupons on the Tide Pods, use 2 of the $3 coupons for the Garnier wipes, 2 of the $2 manufacturer coupons, and of course you got that 8 off of 40. That would leave you to pay $10.74 at the register, but then you're going to get back $15 in extra bucks, 5 for the wipes, 10 for the Tide. That's going to make this entire thing free, plus an over $4 moneymaker. If you are a really big fan of the Tide Pods, another option is just picking up 6 bags of the Tide Pods. This would total you up to $29.94. Use that 5 off of 2 and then use 4 of the $2 coupons. We got the digital version, we have the printable version, and we also have the ones in the PNG. If you need to, you can split up this transaction. So if you can only use 1 or 2 coupons per transaction, just split them up. It will track until you meet the complete amount. So after your coupons, you will pay $19.94, then you will get back a $10 extra buck, making your final cost only $9.94 for 6 bags of Tide Pods, or $1.65 each. So all right, you guys, so that wraps up my best deals video for today, but stay tuned for tomorrow's video where we will do our complete haul and actually do our shopping, so you can see how everything comes together, and I will show you the rest of this week's deals. I want to do a quick giveaway, so all you have to do to enter to win a $25 CVS gift card is let me know down below what is your favorite deal from this upcoming week. Hit the thumbs up button, and of course you must be subscribed. I will announce the winner in next Sunday's CVS video or next Saturday's CVS video if I do another best deals, if you guys like this type of content. So as always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.